Hello friends, today in this WordPress tutorial I am going to show you one of the best WordPress plugin to embed YouTube videos directly without going to YouTube. You can directly embed YouTube videos in your WordPress post and with a click of a single button. Yes, and name of the plugin is YouTube Free. You can let me take you to how you can search this plugin. Actually, once you search, you will find lots of plugins. Okay, add new plugins. Just type YouTube Embed Plus, and you need to type the YouTube Embed Plus and search the plugin. And the first plugin that you may see should be YouTube. It's already installed that. It's YouTube and it's from Embed Plus team. Make sure you are downloading and installing Embed Plus team WordPress plugin, which is one of the best plugin I ever used in WordPress. Okay, this is already installed, and once this plugin is installed, you will see a link here in your right side dashboard links, and you can click this and just scroll down till you see the default YouTube options, and here you can make your video settings according to your requirements, like you can automatically center all videos, no necessity to use alignment, anything. You want to autoplay, annotation, you want to show annotation or not, just looping, do you want to loop all the videos, and modest branding, no YouTube logo will be shown on the control bar. Yeah, I don't want to see it, but I think there is some legal legal things out there, so better if you do not click this. So but I just want to show you how you can see. Related video, do you want to see the related video at the end? Do you want to show the title? Yes. A dark theme, do you want to use dark theme? And you need red progress bar. SD quality, this will force SD quality whenever available, and there are many features. I'm not going to use everything, just gonna save it here. Okay, and okay, there is a pro version here. Lots of features are there which are not available in free, so let me take you, but we are using free version to test out this plugin. If you want, you can purchase a pro version also. Okay guys, once this is done, you will see a icon like this that says YouTube in your WordPress article editor, and just click this. It will pops up a new window, and these are all nothing but advertisement to buy pro versions. You just click on the second link that says search for a video or a channel to insert. Okay, we're not going to type WordPress. Okay, we need a single video, we don't need a channel or a playlist, so we are searching for a WordPress plugins. Click the button and you will see lots of videos are coming there. Okay, one more thing that I found is best, that it is this search result are synchronized with YouTube. Yes, let me take you to an example. What we search for WordPress plugin, and we found these videos are actually according to ranking that YouTube is giving in its website. And you can see first video is best WordPress plugin 2014, and yes, this is the best WordPress plugin 2014. These are advertisements. Second is introduction to WordPress plugin, 10 best WordPress plugin, 10 best. So these results are actually coming directly from YouTube. So you will get highest rated videos in your WordPress website. Okay, this is wonderful. Okay, What you have to do, insert the video, you just click on, these are customization options that are available only pro versions. I don't know what they are because we are using free version anyway. Click this button, insert into editor. You will see insert on a new line, or you want to insert formatting. This button is useful if you want to do something like format the position of video, centering, place it inside a table, or even you put one video in the same line. Okay, more than one video in the same line, but we are just using one. So click this. Oops, there is nothing option, no code, just the video URL. Okay, no problem, just publish this. Let's see what the result will be. And let's see the post now. Okay, it's there. It's good. Coming here, the icon is hidden. Icon. Okay, we are not gonna play this video. Okay, this is how you can insert beautifully. This is already centered. We set up the settings, centralize the video. It's already in the center, and though we haven't changed this width and height of this player, but it's looking good. And this red progress bar is there. Yeah, it's here. YouTube icon is there, which is
Let's see if we can find where that
should be there, but it's not there because we make some changes there. So this way you can insert videos very easily with the help of this plugin, and it is really very useful and really very easy to use. I hope you like the video. Please stay tuned for more videos coming to your way for WordPress best plugins that we are choosing. We always try to give you the best options among all the options you may have, and thanks for watching.